I'm going to show you a magic buy-sell indicator that can increase your profits massively. Welcome back to the Trades by Mo channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a 5-minute scalping strategy using 3 indicators on TradingView.com that can potentially increase your profits immensely. I'm going to show you exactly what 3 indicators you need, and then I'm going to backtest it and show you the results. The first indicator we need, we're going to go to indicators, we're going to type in quant, and we want this QQE indicator here. Keep all of the settings the same. This is going to be our buy sell indicator. So when we see a buy signal paint, we're going to enter a long. When we see a sell indicator, we're going to enter a short. But there's more to it. We're going to use another indicator to tell us exactly when to enter. For this indicator, we're going to go up here. We're going to search trend meter, and it's this one here. So for this trend meter to work, when we have a sell signal paint, we want all the dots and the 2 lines below to be red, and when we get a buy signal we want all the dots and 2 lines to be green. This is a strong indicator for showing trend, and in my opinion it works very well. We're going to use one more thing for this strategy, and I'm going to show you what it is now. We're going to type in ATR Stop Loss indicator, and it's this one here on the list. Now the only settings we're going to change for this is on the ATR Stop Loss, and we're just going to change the colours to a faint grey. This way the charts aren't so noisy. So to enter a long position we want to wait for the buy indicator to paint, and then we want to make sure that everything below on the trend meter is green that lines up with that. It can either already be green or it kind of just changed from red to green. So we enter our long position on that candle close. For a long candle you can either put the stop loss at the bottom of that candle, or if it's a smaller candle put it at the ATR stop loss. We target 1.5 times the risk. This trade hit take profit. So I'm now going to show you a sell. So for a sell, the exact same, we want the sell indicator to paint, and then we want to check that the trend meter has all red below it. In this case it does, so we'd enter our short. On the close of this candle, we set the stop loss to the ATR line because the candle isn't very big, and then we target 1.5 times the risk. So that trade hit take profit as well. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest this strategy using TraderEdge. Please definitely do hit that subscribe button, and now let's get on to the backtesting. Okay, so I've now backtested this strategy on Bitcoin for the past month, starting at the 1st of August, so now let's see the results. Using the TraderEdge backtester, we can see that I've set the initial account balance as $5,000. I've set it at this because you can get a $5,000 MyForexFunds account, and it only costs $49. The link for that's in the comments below. The take profit was 1.5 and the stop loss was 1%. Overall, we had 58 wins and 39 losses for a total of 97 trades over the past month and a 59.79% win rate. I think that is pretty good. We can see that we would have grown the account from $5,000 to $8,054, so we would have definitely passed phase 1 and 2 and got a live funded account. We had a total of 5 consecutive wins and 4 consecutive losses. Overall, I think this is a very good strategy. Absolutely do your backtesting before trying this out on an account. So I definitely urge you to test this out on maybe a different time frame or different pair, different market conditions. Definitely do hit that subscribe button. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.